Daily learning.
Dear Emily. Dear Emily. Hey, it's me, your one and only best friend, Lily. I realize it's been such a long time since I last wrote to you. Life just kind of swept me up in its chaotic little whirlwind, and before I knew it, months had slipped through my fingers like sand. But here I am, finally sitting down with a cup of steaming hot cocoa, wrapped in my cozy, oversized sweater, trying to pour my heart onto this paper for you. First things first, how are you, Em? How's that sunny little town of yours treating you? I bet the skies are still ridiculously bright, and the flowers still bloom like they're starring in their own rom-com. I can almost hear the birds chirping like they're performing in some kind of morning musical. Gosh, how I miss that place. How I miss you. Life here has been a mixture of beautifully chaotic and painfully dull. Some days are bright and bustling with activity, like vibrant confetti exploding in the air. Other days are slow and quiet, like a forgotten song playing softly in the background. Work has been, well, my boss still wears the same tired tie every Monday, and my coworkers are a mix of coffee addicts and meme enthusiasts. I guess that part hasn't changed much. I've been taking long walks in the park lately, especially now that winter has draped its chilly arms around the city. The trees stand like quiet guardians, their branches bare but somehow still elegant, and the streets wear a thin, glistening coat of frost that sparkles under the sleepy afternoon sun. It's beautiful in a kind of lonely, poetic way. But I won't lie, winter has this sneaky way of making me miss you more. Maybe it's because everything feels a little colder, a little quieter, and without you, even the snowflakes seem less magical. Remember when we used to build those ridiculously tiny snowmen on my balcony, drinking hot chocolate and laughing until our cheeks turned pink from the cold? Or those spontaneous movie nights when we'd end up falling asleep halfway through, tangled up in blankets and surrounded by half-eaten snacks? God, I miss those moments so much it almost hurts. You know, the other night, I found that silly playlist we made, the one titled Epic Adventures and Emotional Breakdowns. I played it while cleaning my room, and suddenly it felt like you were right there with me, singing off-key to those cringy pop songs and dramatically acting out the sad ballads. It's funny how music can bring memories back like old friends knocking on your door unexpectedly. I guess what I'm trying to say is, life's just not the same without you, Em. I guess what I'm trying to say is, life's just not the same without you, Em. People here are nice, friendly, polite, sometimes even hilarious. But none of them get me the way you do. No one else knows that I have to eat my fries in even numbers, or that I can't sleep without checking under my bed for imaginary monsters first. Don't judge, it's self-care. You're like the one puzzle piece that makes the whole picture make sense, you know? Lately, I've been trying new things, mostly to fill the void of missing you. I joined a pottery class, and I started journaling again. Sometimes I write letters I'll probably never send, just to let my thoughts have somewhere to go. I even tried baking, emphasis on tried, and let's just say the fire alarm and I are on a first-name basis now. But beyond all that, winter makes me nostalgic. The streets are quieter, as if the world itself is holding its breath, waiting for something or someone to make it feel alive again. The snowflakes drift down like delicate whispers, each one reminding me of the way we used to catch them on our tongues and laugh like kids without a care in the world. The wind hums through the trees, almost as if it's calling your name, and every star in the night sky looks a little lonelier without your laughter beneath it. I wonder, do you ever think about those late-night talks on my porch where we dream about the future like we had it all figured out? Or that summer we spent chasing fireflies until the sky turned lavender and the world felt endless. Those memories feel like faded Polaroids in my heart, still beautiful, still cherished, but a little worn around the edges. And God, Emily, I miss having someone who understands my silences as much as my words. Someone who knows that when I say, I'm fine, what I really mean is please talk to me until I forget why I was sad. It's hard sometimes being surrounded by people but still feeling like you're alone in a crowded room. I guess that's the thing about true friendship. It leaves a gap that no one else can quite fill. The holidays are coming up soon, and while everyone's stringing up lights and baking cookies, I can't help but feel this bittersweet ache. I keep picturing us decorating my tiny apartment, laughing over our terrible taste in tinsel, and getting frosting everywhere. It's strange how happiness and sadness can sit so closely together, like old friends sharing a bench in the cold. But enough about my sentimental ramblings. Tell me everything about your life. How's school? Work? Have you finally started that blog you were always talking about? Or maybe you're busy conquering the world, one iced latte at a time. Please write back soon. I need my dose of Emily wisdom and sarcasm to get me through these frosty days. Until then, I'll keep walking through this sleepy winter town, watching my breath form little clouds in the air, and hoping that somewhere out there, you're looking at the same sky and thinking of me too. Stay warm, stay weird, and stay wonderful. Forever missing you, Lily.